Hello everyone, this is module 705 Li-Fi data transfer using Arduino, and what Li-Fi stands for flight fidelity, in which we can transfer the data using light. And now I will explain about my hardware. This is the Arduino Uno, this is LCD, and this is the bridge rectifier, and this is the LDR module. And now I will show you about the output. See, in this is the LIFI data transformation app, and in this we type like a hi message, and now you will see the hi message will display in a LCD. Just we flash it here. See, here we will get the hi message, and now we will type like a hello. And now here will be display hello. The hello light will blink in a LDR sensor, and that sensor it converts into the bits, and that when in this it will be check the predetermined value, and then here we show the hello output. This is our project.